Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 13. Solve for x and y in the equation below. Now we're given two equations, and I asked to solve it simultaneously. We have x squared minus y squared equals to 4 and x plus y equal to 2. Now let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So now we can simply say that from equation 2, x is equals to 2 minus y. From equation 2, x is equals to 2 minus y. Now let's call this equation 3. So since x is equals to 2 minus y, we substitute 2 minus y for x in equation 1. So now we have wherever we see x, we put 2 minus y. So equation 1 says x squared, that will be 2 minus y squared minus y squared is equals to 4. Now that means 2 minus y multiplied by 2 minus y squared equals to 4. Now opening this bracket, we'll have 2 times 2 to give us 4. Then 2 times minus y will give us minus 2y. Minus y times 2 will give us minus 2y. And minus y times y will give us what? Will give us plus y squared. Now minus y squared is equals to 4. So now what we are having is we are having 4 minus 4y, because y plus y square minus y square will cancel out. That's 0 equals to what? Equal to 4. So we have 4 minus 4y equals to 4. Now from this we can simply say that 4y is equals to 4 minus 4. That is now taking y to this side and bringing this 4 here. So we have 4y is equals to 4 minus 4. That means 4y is equal to 0. Now since 4y equals to 0, definitely y is equal to 0, because 0 divided by 4 is 0. So y equals 0. Now from equation 3, like you can see from equation 3 here, x is equals to 2 minus y. We have x is equals to 2 minus y. That means x is equals to 2 minus 0, and x is equals to 2. So that means x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0. And that is option C. Option C is the correct answer to this question. X equals to 2, y equals to 0. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.